Hey, this is Chris Flemmer from Flemmer Racing. What I'd like to do today is show you a really quick rundown from start to finish how I make a very simple product. So just a quick little fabrication how-to video. What I've got here is a 2013 ZL1 Camaro, and what I'm doing is I'm going to be installing this Snow Performance methanol pump to add a water methanol system to it. So up in the wheel well here, you can see I've got it, the tire and wheel assembly off, and I've got everything peeled back. Here's the washer reservoir. You can see I've got that tapped and my fitting stuck in there. And I can see that I've got a nice amount of room up in here to fit this pump. The lighting's kind of bad there. But what I need to do is get it up in there and affix it securely. Now, if you can see up in there, adjust my light a little bit, we've got the horn. And the horn is bolted with this bolt right here that I have out at the moment. And I've got another bolt hole, potential bolt hole right here. Now that's open, so I'll have to use a bolt and a nut. So I start this process by making a cardboard template, which is what this is. Just a piece of cardboard. I already had a nice bend right here from where it was bent over on one of the edges, and I just take that, and it was a lot bigger than this when it started, obviously, and I just kind of cut it down until I got the right shape. And what I ended up with is, if you can see, that hole up there will line up with the horn, and that hole there will line up with that open hole there. And at that point, I've got these 4 holes here, and the methanol pump will actually mount like that onto it. So from this, I took it to my local steel place, and they very quickly cut me out 10 of these, because I figure if I'm making one, I might as well make a few, because I know I'm going to do this in the future. And at that point, I stuck them in a vise and drilled a hole through all of them, which matches up with these holes here that are the mounting holes. After that, I'm left with this piece here. So what I need to do is put a nice 90-degree bend in it. And I bought this small sheet metal brake. If I had to do it all over again, I would have gotten at least a 2-foot metal brake or a 24-inch metal brake. This one's a little small. With this 16 gauge steel, I can just go all the way through the motion there. So there I end up with this, which is exactly what I need. And then, here's my finished product. Threw some paint on it, and then I set the pump up on it. Just as it was. Screws poking through, and set it up in there. Screwed all of them through. And here is the finished product. See, I might end up pulling this down or grabbing a Sawzall and knocking the ends of those screws off. But other than that, this is DUN done. Thanks for watching.